Into Tech Time. We are on day 5 of our saving money on online shopping. Francie Black is here. She's been giving us amazing tips all week long. What's our last one? Saving the best for last, right?
I love this one, and I use this all the time. I use it year round, and it's particularly important at Christmas when we're doing lots of buying.
Sure.
All right, so this one is actually called Honey, and what it does, this is a browser extension. Again, you go out to the website joinhoney.com, and you download the browser extension, and it adds functionality to Chrome or Safari or whatever browser that you use when you're online. So when you're doing your online shopping, in this example, I'm on Amazon, I don't have to do anything. It automatically tells me if Amazon is giving me their best price. So prices fluctuate up and down all the time on Amazon, sometimes daily, okay? So this will tell you, hey, there's been 3 price changes on this product, and I can see where this pricing has been. So am I at the peak or am I at the low? And it'll actually give me a trend, and it'll tell me the lowest price is actually, you know, in this case, $10 or $20 less than what it's currently showing. So I can either choose to wait or go ahead and make the purchase. So it's a free browser add-on. Okay, just go to Join Honey and it'll ask you, or you can add it. And then also what it will do is if you have the best price, so let's say you're looking at a product like this cute little car, it will even tell you whether or not it's the best deal as well. So you already know that you're on the lowest price. The last thing that you can do with it is that you can also even say, add it to a drop list. So if the price does go down and you want to be notified, maybe you only want to buy it at a certain price, you can add it to what's called a drop list, and then it'll send you notification to let you know that it's reached that price, so you don't have to watch it every single day.
It watches it for you.
Yes, okay, so that's a great way to save money, particularly at the holidays. I use it year round though. And I have all this information at iPadwisdom.com. If you want it by email, shoot me an email at info@iPadwisdom.com and I can send it out to you.
Okay, Francie, thanks so much. It's been a great week of saving money, and we like that.